Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. American Airlines updates and United Airlines fleet expansion. American Airlines faces turbulence with a tragic mid-air collision near Washington, D.C. Employee arrests over leaked footage, and flight attendant protests. Meanwhile, United Airlines expands its fleet, taking delivery of its 25th Airbus A321neo and placing major orders for Boeing 787-9s and A321neos. United also eyes 767-777 replacements, reports strong financial growth, and advances sustainability efforts with next-gen aircraft for a greener future. American Airlines news. Mid-air collision near Washington, D.C. On January 29, 2025, an American Airlines Bombardier CRJ-700 collided with a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter over the Potomac River near Washington, D.C., resulting in the deaths of all 67 individuals on both aircraft. The National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, is investigating the incident, focusing on potential altitude discrepancies between the two aircraft. Tributes to victims. Among the victims were figure skating sisters Everly and Alidia Livingston, aged 11 and 14, who were returning from a national development camp. Their passing has deeply affected the figure skating community. Pilots' reassurance. Following the crash, an American Airlines pilot delivered a heartfelt message to passengers, emphasizing the crew's commitment to safety. The speech resonated with many and went viral on social media, highlighting the importance of empathy in times of tragedy. Employee arrests over leaked footage. Two airport workers were arrested for allegedly leaking video footage of the collision. They face charges related to unauthorized computer access, underscoring the sensitivity and legal implications surrounding such incidents. Flight attendant safety concerns. American Airlines flight attendants protested at the company's headquarters, expressing dissatisfaction with management's response to safety concerns. The protest was partly prompted by the death of a colleague under suspicious circumstances at a Philadelphia hotel, highlighting ongoing tensions between staff and leadership. United Airlines fleet updates. Fleet expansion with Airbus A321neo. United Airlines has taken delivery of its 25th Airbus A321neo as part of its fleet modernization efforts. The airline plans to lease an additional 40 A321neo aircraft by 2027 and introduce the long-range A321XLR by January 2026, aiming to enhance fuel efficiency and expand capacity. Consideration of Boeing 767 and 777 replacements. United is evaluating options to replace its aging Boeing 767 and 777 fleets. Potential candidates include the Boeing 787-10 and other wide-body aircraft, with decisions expected later this year. This move reflects the airline's commitment to modernizing its long-haul fleet. Significant aircraft orders. In a major fleet expansion, United Airlines has placed firm orders for 50 Boeing 787-9s and 60 Airbus A321neos, with deliveries scheduled between 2028 and 2030. The airline has also secured options for up to 50 additional Boeing 787s and purchase rights for 40 more A321neos, aligning with its United Next plan to increase aircraft size and enhance connectivity. Stellar financial performance. Despite being Boeing's largest customer amid the manufacturer's quality control issues and production delays, United Airlines stock price surged by 148% in 2024. The airline's strategic hub structure, international expansion, and fleet renewal plan have contributed to its impressive financial performance. Commitment to sustainability. United Airlines aims to have 75% of its fleet consist of new generation aircraft by 2030, contributing to its goal of achieving net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050 without relying on traditional carbon offsets. The addition of fuel-efficient models like the Boeing 787 and Airbus A321neo is central to this strategy. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.